Today we are making watermelon ice candies. You can also call them watermelon popsicles or watermelon bar. And to make these delicious popsicles we only need 2 to 3 minutes. Such a quick recipe it is, and kids will be so surprised and happy to taste it. Hello kitchen queens and kings, welcome to my channel Gina in the Kitchen. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Now let's quickly move on to today's recipe. To make watermelon popsicles, first of all we will cut our watermelon in small pieces. No need to cut very small, just roughly chop them. And while cutting the watermelon, I tried to take out all the seeds to make the further work easy. You can take the help of a fork like this to take out all the seeds. And if you don't want to separate the seeds, later you need to sieve the mixture, and I think taking the seeds out is the easier option, so it's up to you. So now in next step, here we have a mixer grinder jar. We will put watermelon pieces in it. The watermelon I showed you in the beginning of video, I am using half of that, and with this much watermelon we can make 7 to 8 popsicles easily. And with watermelon pieces in this mixer jar, I am adding juice of half lemon. It is optional to add, but I am adding it because it will give a tangy flavor to our popsicles. So if you like lemon, you can add it, otherwise just skip it. You can also add mint leaves. It is really good. I usually add, but today I was not having them, so I didn't add it. And now I am adding 2 tablespoons sugar. If your watermelon is not that sweet, only in that case add sugar. Otherwise you don't need to add extra sugar in it. So according to your choice, just add 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar. Basically you can make these popsicles only with one ingredient, and that is watermelon. Everything else is just optional. And now we will grind all these things in mixer jar and make a juice out of it. Our juice is ready. Now we will transfer it in glasses. If you have ice cream molds at home, you can use them, but if you don't have, no worries. You can make these ice candies in any kind of glasses. So here I have taken these small glasses, and we will pour our watermelon juice in these glasses. And now we need to place our ice cream sticks, and to place them in between the glasses, first we will cover the glass with aluminium foil. Make a hole in between, and now we will place the sticks, and now they are ready to freeze. Let's keep these glasses in deep freezer for 4 to 5 hours. And it's been 5 hours. I have taken out the glasses, and you can see ice candies are well settled or well frozen now. So it's time to demold them, and it's very easy to do. We just need to dip these glasses in normal temperature water for just 15 to 20 seconds. And here we go, our ice candies are coming out very easily. They are looking so beautiful, so delicious, and the best part is these are healthy popsicles with no artificial color or preservatives. So do try this recipe at your home, surprise your kids, and tell me in the comment section how did you find today's recipe. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing it. Tap on the bell icon too, so that you can get notifications whenever I upload a new video. So that's it for today. We will catch up again really soon.